If you've ever wondered, how do I make money online without having my own product? Today, I'm going to be breaking affiliate marketing for beginners step by step. I will show you exactly what affiliate marketing is, how to get started, and how to start earning commissions even if you're a total beginner. So grab your notebook. I'm going to be keeping it real, super practical, and simple. So first of all, what is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is simply you recommending product or services to people. And when they buy through your unique link, you simply get a commission. You don't need to create the product. You don't need to ship anything. You don't even handle the customer service aspect. Let's say you love a certain online course, a phone app, or even a fitness product. You join the affiliate program, get your unique link, share it online, and every time anyone clicks on your unique link to buy any of those products, you simply get a commission. Now, it's just simply like being a middleman. But this time, a middleman that connects people to solve their problems, connects people to products that solve their problems. Now, the very step for a beginner affiliate marketer is to choose a niche. You may be asking, what is a niche? A niche is basically a topic or a particular industry you want to focus on. For example, health and fitness, make money online, tech and gadgets, education and online courses. As a YouTube content creator, for example, a lot of persons have affiliate links of TubeBuddy and vidIQ, even all of these AI tools that are going on right now. And personally, I also have affiliate platforms that I'm affiliating for. For instance, you can decide to affiliate for TubeBuddy, you can decide to affiliate for vidIQ, and when anybody downloads the vidIQ and subscribe, you're going to get a commission for it. By so doing, you will simply start making money on YouTube even from your day one of creating your accounts, even before being monetized on YouTube. Now, here is why picking a niche absolutely matters. If you try to promote everything, you are simply going to be confused. You will even end up confusing the algorithm and your audience as well. But if you simply stick to one niche, people are going to see you as an authority in that niche. So think about what you're interested in or what people always say about you. If you like digital tools, courses, making money online, you like talking about making money online, go into the online business niche. Or if you're passionate about weight loss, fitness, or cooking, that could be your niche. The idea is that you should pick something you actually love creating content on, something you're not going to get tired about, something that if you affiliate for 3 months and you don't make a sale, you are not going to get tired. You will still keep on creating it for the love you have for creating such content. I know that you are embarking on an affiliate program to make money, but affiliate marketing is not a get-rich-quick scheme. You need to actually learn a lot of things, and the process of trying to learn those things that will actually make you to start making sales can actually get to 3 months and 6 months for some people. So if you start creating content about what you're doing, ensure you create content that you're not going to get tired of because the money is not coming. And while at that, you have to be consistent because consistency is the key. That is what simply gives you everlasting results. Now, the next thing is to find affiliate programs. There are so many. Believe me, there are so many affiliate programs out there. I've mentioned TubeBuddy, I've mentioned vidIQ. There are a lot of AI affiliate programs. For example, I'm affiliating for Magic Light AI. Anybody that uses my link to download the Magic Light AI, I'm going to get the commission for it. Okay. I'm also affiliating for PromptN, where I sell digital courses, and some of the courses, there are courses on PromptN that can actually teach you how to grow on YouTube the right way. I also have my own personal course on how you can actually grow on YouTube. If you're interested in that course, you can drop at the comment section to get my course, which is quite more affordable. There are other big networks you can actually try. Big networks like ClickBank, Digistore24, Warrior Plus. You can try companies like Amazon Associates, Canva. If you're in Africa, you can try PromptN, Seller, Payhib. Platforms like PromptN, Seller, Payhib are actually amazing for digital products, and it works for people basically teaching on YouTube. Now, here's my tip. Do not sign up for 10 programs at the same time, because I see a lot of people, they're affiliating for over 10 different platforms. Like, what time do you really have to create content about all of these platforms at the same time? You know this saying, jack of all trade and master of none. Instead of being a jack of all trade and you're not mastering anyone, why not pick one and focus on it? Or you can even decide to go for 2, especially one that offers high quality products that people actually want. And the secret to making massive sales on affiliate marketing is to promote products that simply have high demand. For example, if you're in the make money online niche, you could promote a digital platform teaching people online side hustles. If you're in health, you might promote supplement or workout programs. Remember, choose something that has proven to sell. Now, the next thing is to create a platform. Affiliate Affiliate links won't make you money if people do not see them to click on. So you need a platform to promote your links. Now, you don't need to start with everything. Just pick one to begin with. You can open a YouTube channel. If you're watching me right now and you've not started creating content on YouTube already, this is a call to action for you to start. This is the best time for you to start creating content on YouTube. And once you start creating content on YouTube, you can start promoting those affiliate links on your YouTube channel. Create videos teaching people, reviewing products, or simply giving tutorials. Or you can choose TikTok. You can promote it on TikTok and Instagram, not just YouTube alone. Simply create short videos with quick tip and call to actions. What about Facebook groups and WhatsApp broadcasts? Simply share valuable content and drop your links afterward. Remember, value before sales. And it's not going to be a bad idea if you have a simple website where you can actually write about your products. If you already have a phone, you can simply start today. And the fact that you're watching me means you have a phone. So what is stopping you from starting affiliate marketing today? With your phone, you can record short tutorials, product reviews, or even screen recording how a tool actually works. Then after your teaching, you can simply direct people to your description box or in your comment section or in your bio, anywhere you want them to get the links, and they are going to click on it if they're interested. Don't just create any content to promote your platforms. Create valuable content. This part is really, really very important because it is the kind of content you're going to create that is going to make you stand as an authority. And that is when people are going to click. You simply need to create content that helps, content that sparks people's curiosity, content that touches people's emotion, content that gives them fear of missing out. You can make a video talking about top 5 apps you can actually use to make money online. Then after that, include the link to those apps on your description box. You can make a video on how to edit YouTube videos and then drop a link to where they can actually download the app or the software for editing you taught them about. Or you can do a tutorial on how I grew my YouTube channel in 30 days and ask them to get a course in your description box to also teach them how you were able to grow yours in 30 days. For example, I also have a course on everything I've learned about YouTube, which I have written down. You can actually check in the description box to get it. People only click on your link if they trust you. You have to first of all solve their problems, and then they will trust you enough to be able to solve their problems by clicking on your link. Now, after creating value-packed content, the next thing is to get people to click on your link. So how do you actually get people to click on your link? You don't have to be shy. Always ensure you use a clear call to action. You can say something like, click the first link in my description box to get started today. Check the pinned comment for the free tool. Or you say, if you want to start right now, my link is down below. Once you start promoting, you have to track your result. Simply check which videos, ads, or posts that get the most clicks and the ones that are actually making you sales. If a certain content actually gives you more sales, why not create more content about that? It's simply telling you that this is what people really want. This is actually people's problem, and this is the right product that is solving it for them. So keep on giving them such video. If it's not working, try another product. And always have it at the back of your mind that affiliate marketing is simply a game of testing and improving. Now, to wrap it up, pick a niche, find affiliate programs, create a platform, make valuable content. Don't forget. Add your links with a clear call to action, and then track and optimize it by simply checking for those ones that are giving you more sales than others, and then recreate them again. Now, this is basically how beginners can start affiliate marketing today. If you found this helpful, do me a favor. Smash the like button, subscribe for more tips, and drop me a comment in the comment section. Tell me which niche you would love to go into and if you would love to start affiliate marketing today. So you can check the description box to get my course on how to grow on YouTube, course on everything you need to know on YouTube. I also have another affiliate link in the description box, which is Prompt Earn. If you're in Africa, you can also check Prompt Earn. I'm going to be dropping the link in the description box. Prompt Earn is actually an affiliate platform where you sell digital products and get commission. A lot of digital products are there, ranging from health, editing, apps that can actually help you to make money, and a whole lot of them. Okay, so that's actually the best for you, no matter the niche you find yourself. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.